Yeah, good evening, everyone. It's nice to be back. How you doing? So, without wasting much time, we'll be going straight into the trading idea for the new week. Like I said earlier, before going into currency pair, let's look at what BTC is giving us. Now, as you can see, that BTC has already break the trend line here, and looking at it, there is possibility that BTC might find it difficult to survive uh, 35,000. So now it's making a retracement. This retracement can be a big opportunity for BTC to rise again. So I'm not really sure if BTC will actually come to 29,000 anytime soon, because looking at the market structure is meant to respect this particular channel. Meanwhile, it broke the channel, which can be as a means to clear the liquidity area before the buys continue. And you can see that is a weekly time frame and it has maintained a bullish move. When you look at it on your daily time frame, you can see that above all its swing is still heading towards the north. So as an investor, you still have the opportunity to catch up with gold, with Bitcoin, sorry, at this price range before it finally return back to the channel and continue with the bullish move. So let's look at currency pair that we have here. Okay, so this is a daily time frame. This GBPJPY is on a sell trend after the support, the resistance that we have here is on a sell trend. So looking at what we have here is trying to gain a support, which means the sell continuation might not actualize. But looking at the movement of GBPJPY currently, since it's on a sell trend, that's on a downtrend, you can take note of the Fibonacci retracement to see when it gets to 50% level, then you can take the advantage to join the sell trend. And at that time, there's possibility that our RSI too will be on 50 level. So looking at these two, there is possibility for a sell continuation, but it might not continue with the current Fibo level because it came to around 0.38. Meanwhile, it's best you wait for it to come to around 0.5. Then you wait for a bullish candle. So still on EURGBP, I see this analysis on weekly time frame. So fine, EURGBP is still around a sell, even though I tap a buy somewhere around there. It's around a sell, which means we are looking at these two support area. So as EURGBP approaches 0.8285, we will be seeing what is going to happen, whether it can have a reverse candle on a daily time frame, then there's possibility that market might turn. And looking at it on a daily time frame, you can see that the market is trying to make some support around here, and if that's the case, there might be some buy move in this week. Meanwhile, overall, looking at the weekly time frame, there's possibility for a sell continuation down towards 0.8280. So if you can catch some buy, know that it's a big risk. So still focus on the sell. You understand? So now look at what happened here with this minor support. Can you see that Euro USD is really not done with the sell move. So with what we have here now, let's watch out for this channel. This particular channel shows that Euro USD is approaching the support, and breaking the minor support, is approaching a new support level. Looking at it coming close to this trend, and at the same time looking at this new support area. So ICT could confirm this. So it is possible that it gets to this place. Meanwhile, since you have objectives, it's important that when it approaches a support area, you wait for a reverse candle. At the same time, you look for your RSI, and at the same time, you check news. So that is what we have on Euro USD. So GBPUSD currently around a support area, and it has given us a bullish candle before this minor drop. So this minor drop might be a form of correction, which hopefully I'm optimistic that GBPUSD should give us a bullish movement anytime soon. So that's what I can see here on a GBPUSD. So there is possibilities. There's possibilities for a buy due to what we have here. So there is possibilities. But most of the challenges that we have in the recent time is that new traders always find it difficult to identify a market that is turning. Meanwhile, looking at your price action, when market approach a new price level, you can easily identify if it has gained and respect that level by waiting for a reverse candle. Which is exactly what I'm looking at on GBPUSD. So I think that'll be all for now. But while I do that, I'm looking at what will happen on other currency pair. So so We have that watch list also. So this analysis has been here for long. I did the analysis when it was here, and it still maintains the buy, as you can see. So here's the target. You making a buy around here. You making a buy around here with your SL around there and your TP around here. This is huge. This is huge. This is huge. So as you can see, take a trader with large heart to get this right. So look at what we have here too. This is my watch list, waiting for a reverse candle. Can you see? Waiting for a reverse candle around here. So it has approached these two supports. So you can have a bullish candle. Fine. So the market is almost set. I hope next week will be exceptional. What is gold telling us? Wow, there is more on gold, but hopefully next week. Let's see how gold play out. Let's see how gold play out. NZD-USD. So I think that will be all. Take advantage of GBPJPY, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and gold. So that should be fine. So looking at something around there. So can be your watch. So that will be all. Wow, Euro chef too is cooking some buy, but you have to wait. Let it break that ranging zone. When it breaks the range market, then you are good to go. Please do not forget to like my page, subscribe, click notification button so that you have access to subsequent trade idea for the week. So I wish you best of luck. I wish you a profitable week ahead. So good night, everyone. Bye.